If you let him touch you, touch you, touch you, touch you, touch you, touch you, yeah. The way I used to, yeah.
We're here, girl, there you go. Bring me more ones if that ass hits the floor. I'ma go ahead and let this cash go. So sharp, stop playing with him.
Davinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Davinci. Today I'm doing a quick get ready with me hair edition. I'm on my way to my fiance's performance and this is how I'm going to wear my hair. I'm in a rush. So this hairstyle took me about 10 minutes to do. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got my bob, then keep watching.
Tell them about it.
Okay, so I don't really have that much time. Gavin has a performance. I'm currently wearing the Magic Lace curved part in the color Tangerine. I'm going to cut it right now because it's kind of long and I'm not really digging it. I don't have much time, so we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm not gonna do much talking because I gotta go. Could really use some help. I got this wig from Sam's Beauty. Okay, I'm gonna be right back just so I can cut it all even around. It's kind of bulky, you know? So I'm gonna go straighten it off camera. It can flat iron up to 360 degrees and I'll be right back. Don't want to, but it's the only thing I got right now. Even though I am gonna wear a hat to the party, it's just really raining really bad. Okay, so this is what the bob is currently looking like. I am currently wearing the Magic Lace Tangerine middle part. It's supposed to be full lace from ear to ear. I'm gonna link everything in the description because I don't really know right now. I didn't swoop any baby hairs. You could, but I'm gonna be putting on a hat, so I didn't want to swoop any baby hairs. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Don't mind my smudges. Subscribe to my channel. All right, yeah, I gotta go.
Twerking with me and his bitch. Got him asking questions. I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's a lit.